Hello, student. Very good morning to all of you. And now I am going to start your fifth chapter, the Summit Within. Summit Within here an inspirational and a very remarkable chapter because it not gives you only a understanding of the chapter, but it also gives you the very inspiration in your life that you can get the highest peak of your life. That means you can achieve the success if you get inspiration from this chapter. So it is not a chapter, just mind it that it is an inspirational and a motivational chapter. So student, try to understand each and everything, not even the point of view of examination of your course, but also to take a very important lesson in your life. So, student, let's start. Major HPS Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. That means HPS Ahluwalia was the member who got or reached the top of a mountain in 1965. And what he feel after reaching on the top, he expressed his own view and his own think what he feels when he got or when he reached on the top of the mountain. How did he feel when he stood on the highest point in the world? Let's hear the story of his world. So he also tried to express his feeling when he reached on the top of a mountain and what he see below on the top from the top of the mountain. That means वो mountain के ऊपर से नीचे क्या देखते हैं इस feeling को भी बताना चाहते हैं. And what glorious and remarkable victory he got and he feel he also want to express with us. That means वो हमसे ये भी कहना चाहते हैं कि उन्होंने कैसा feeling महसूस किया था. Let's hear in his own words. Climbing summit and then the more difficult task in climbing the summit within. That means what he experienced on climbing and what he feels when he stood on the top of the peak. He also want to express with us. So let's start. Of all the emotion which he surged through me as I stood on the summit of Everest. That means when he stood on the peak of a mountain, what he feel a surge. That means a very very deep emotion when he got or when he reached on the top of the mountain. Looking over miles of panorama below us, and he saw from there below of the mountain, and when he saw the greenery fields and a very exquisite panorama that means a great sight below Mount Everest. He want to express of that sight, that a glorious sight. The dominant one, I think, was humility. The physical in me seemed to say, thank God, it's all over. And when he reached on the top of a mountain, he saw that, oh God, what happened with me? And I am going to be ruined because it was a very huge and it was a very highest peak. So when a person saw from there, you can also imagine that what the feeling would have been on that moment. उस समय क्या फीलिंग रही होगी ये आप तो महसूस कर ही सकते हो. उनको उस समय गॉड याद आते हैं, कहते हो गॉड ऑल इट्स ऑल ओवर, मतलब सब कुछ अब खत्म हो गया. However, instead of being jubilant here means a very happy because of a success. However, लेकिन फिर भी उन्हें बहुत खुशी होती है क्योंकि उन्होंने he got a very grand success. It was obvious is a grand work when a person got on the top of a mountain. There was a tingle of a sadness. There was tingle of a sadness. That means there was a single of a sadness. That means there are the very a short trace of sadness can feel inside or within himself. It was because I had already done the ultimate in the climbing, and there would be the nothing higher to climb, and all roads thereafter would let down, and it was obvious that he felt some sadness because there is not a mountain remained to climb, because he was on the top of a mountain at that moment, and there was not a highest moment than the Mount Everest, and roads from there are lots roads goes down to the mountain. So he feels that uh, one side a very grand success, while the second side a little trace of sadness. So it's been try to imagine, to put on that place to yourself, and then you can feel that what the moment would have been on that moment. जब आप अपने आप को एच पी एस आहलूवालिया की जगह पे रख कर सोचेंगे, तब आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, उस समय उनकी फीलिंग क्या रही होगी. सो स्टूडेंट, लिटरेचर नीड्स एन इमेजिनेशन. लिटरेचर को एक नीड होती है इमेजिनेशन की. जब आप उस इमेजिनेशन को सोचें, आप उस कैरेक्टर की जगह पर अपने आप को रख कर उनकी फीलिंग्स को महसूस करें, तभी आप लिटरेचर के सही मायने को, सही सेंस को पकड़ पाएंगे, समझ पाएंगे. नाउ, by climbing the summit of Everest, you are overwhelmed by the deep sense of a joy and thankfulness. When you got the success in your life, then definitely you feel a very thankfulness, and also an overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means होता है आभारी होना. मतलब आप अपने लक के, आप अपनी लाइफ के आभारी होते हैं जब आप जीवन की सबसे बड़ी ऊंचाई को छू लेते हैं. It is a joy which lasts a lifetime, and it is a joy which lasted a lifetime. That means यह एक ऐसी खुशी होती है जो आपके जीवन भर रहती है. when you reached on the goal of your life, जब आप अपनी लाइफ के गोल तक पहुंच जाते हैं, तब the experience changes you completely, and this experience definitely change you entirely. ऐसे अनुभव हमेशा आपको पूरा का पूरा बदल देते हैं. The man who has been to the mountains is never the same again. And once a man, when he climbed on the mountain, then he never be remain as the same. That means when जब एक पर्सन किसी बड़ी ऊंचाई को छू लेता, तो वो एक जैसा नहीं रह जाता, उसके अंदर एक इनोवेटिव फोर्स आ जाती है जो उसको एक्सेलरेट करती है, एक्सेलरेट टू गॉट द एवब सक्सेस. इसके ऊपर के सक्सेस को पाने के उसके इनसाइड जो एक फीलिंग होती है, वो एक्सेलरेट करती है. एज आई टुक बैक at life after climbing Everest, I cannot help remarking about the other summit, the summit of the mind, no less formidable and no easier to climb. And when he got that success, then there is no remain other ambition in his life. So, and he also said that it is a not easier task. It was a very difficult task. यह बहुत ही simple task नहीं है, वो बहुत ही एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क था. Even when getting down from the summit, once the physical exhaustion had gone, I began asking myself the question why I had climbed Everest. And further he expressed his feeling when he was coming down from the Everest, when he feels that his physical exhaustion has been gone now. And he asked himself that why I had climbed. वो अपने आप से एक बार पूछते हैं कि आखिर मैं इस माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ा ही क्यों था. What the motivation has inside me. मेरे अंदर कौन सा वो मोटिवेशन है. Why did the act of reaching the summit have such a hold on my imagination. And he also think that why had this imagination come into my heart that I should climb on the top of the mountain. That he definitely think about himself, and you also think about yourself that what you are going to get from your hard work. That means आप अपनी कठिन मेहनत से क्या पाने जा रहे हो, वो तुम्हें क्यों चाहिए, वो आपको कौन सा एक इंस्पिरेशन देगा. ये सारी चीज़ें जब आप अपने आप से करते हैं, तो definitely you got a very remarkable success in your life. It was already a thing of a past, something done as today. With every passing day, it would become more remote. And he further says he think that it is just event that feels that it is just past from yesterday. It is a matter of yesterday. उनको ऐसे लगता है बस ये तो अभी जैसे लगा कि बस yesterday की बात हो, बिल्कुल अभी अभी की बात हो. With every passing day, it would become more remote, and with every passing day, it become very remote. Remote, that means here the very sensory. ऐसा लगता है कि बस ये उनको रिमोट कर रहा है, ये उनको एक्सपेल्ड कर रहा है कि यू डू समथिंग मोर. And then what would remain? And further he asked himself that what is remain to get? What is remain to get? Would my memories fade slowly away? And would my memory fade slowly away? That means he asked himself that would my memory fading now? क्या मेरी मेमोरी क्या कर रही है, फैड कर रही है? दैट इज इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ 1965 and I just feel that it is a matter of just yesterday. That means it's definitely something going wrong with my mind. But it is not a matter that it's going wrong with his mind. That means it is a very remarkable imagination. It's a very remarkable work that he also think about this, and he also questioning that why I had reached on the top, and why should I do, and why should I get inspiration from these things. So student, I think you got a complete meaning of this chapter, of this paragraph what I had explained. Now the next paragraph. All this thought led me question myself as to why people climb mountains, and also I asked to question to myself that why people climb on a mountain, that what he want to get on climbing the mountain. That means it is a very it's a task that it doesn't give anything, but it gives inspiration that I can touch my highest summit, what is within inside me. That means हमारे अंदर वो सबसे बड़ी स्टेमिना, सबसे बड़ी एक लस्ट क्या है जिसको हम छू सकते हैं. इसलिए वो अपनी इमेजिनेशन में पूछते हैं अपने आप से, अपने प्रेजेंट टाइम से, कि एक पर्सन को समिट पे, दैट मीन्स टॉप ऑफ अ माउंटेन जाने की ज़रूरत ही क्या है. It is not easy to answer the question. The simplest answer would be, as others have said, because it is there. It is present the great difficulties, and he got a answer with by himself that a person simply says that because it is good, it is there. That's why I climbed. That means उनको लगता है कि लोग यही कहेंगे भाई वहाँ है इसके वजह से मैंने चढ़ गया. लेकिन what the inspiration just beside this is the important. This is the matter of this chapter. Obstacle. The man takes delight in overcoming obstacle. It is definitely student. It is the nature of a human that when a human crack the difficulties or obstacle in life, that he feels a success. He feels a joy. That means जब आप अपनी, जैसे आप सपोज कर लीजिए आप कोई मैथ के क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं और मैथ के क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही टफ हैं, और जब उसको क्रैक कर देते हैं, उसके आंसर आप उसको सॉल्व कर देते हैं, तो आप क्या फील करते हैं? एक हैप्पीनेस फील करते हैं inside you. So author on that moment thinking that he was also got that inspiration, and by this inspiration he get a motivation inside him. A climb to a summit means demonstrate of these physical qualities is no doubt exhilarating as it was for me also. And climbing on the mountain, it shows that you are accelerate your energy and you got the highest what have you inside. दैट मीन्स आपके अंदर क्या है, इस चीज़ को पाने में ये आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. So student, I think these 2 or 3 paragraph has been completed, and you also got the complete sense what the chapter is saying. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me, but I think you don't have any doubt, you shouldn't have any doubt, because it gives you a moral, it gives you an inspiration that you should also try to get the highest summit what is within you. दैट मीन्स आपके अंदर आपकी सबसे बड़ी समिट क्या है, इसको पाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. एंड you should taste each and every moment that what the capability you have, what the caliber you have, and when you got the real caliber, the real capability, what you have inside, then definitely you also got the summit what is within you. So student, the next further paragraph I will explain the next class. Thank you.